In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications in Asana. Let's start by signing in. Open Asana in your browser and log in. If your workspace uses Google Sign-In, click Continue with Google and choose your Google account to complete the login. The goal here is simply to get into your Asana home screen. Once you're in, open a project so you're looking at the standard Asana interface. This isn't required for muting notifications, but it makes the next steps easier to follow and ensures your profile menu is visible in the top right. Look to the top right corner for your profile avatar. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, switch to the Notifications tab. This is where Asana controls all alerts, including inbox, push, and email. Find the Do Not Disturb section. Click Do Not Disturb, then select Pause Notifications. This immediately silences alerts so you can focus without pings. As soon as it's paused, choose how long you want the quiet period to last. You can pick a short window to get through a task, mute until later today, or keep things quiet until tomorrow. During this time, Asana will collect your updates silently and you can review them when you're ready. If your schedule is predictable, set up a custom schedule. In the same Do Not Disturb area, choose the custom option and select the days and times when you want Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically. This is perfect for deep work blocks, meetings, or off hours. Asana will follow the schedule you define, so you don't have to remember to pause notifications every time. A few helpful tips as you set this up. Muting notifications through Do Not Disturb affects your account across Asana, not just the project you currently have open, which is great for company-wide focus time. If your team still needs a quick way to reach you during these periods, consider aligning expectations in your status or task description so people know when you'll be back. And if you rely on email for summaries, check the options in the same Notifications tab to make sure those preferences match your Do Not Disturb habits. That's it. You've logged in, opened a project to access your profile menu, navigated to Settings, moved into Notifications, and used Do Not Disturb to pause alerts now and on a recurring schedule. Enjoy the focus time, and I'll see you in the next one.